What are we doing?
We are jumping for my 35th birthday.
Happy 35th birthday.
Thank
You've got some
you.
tunnel time, I've heard.
I do, yes.
You ready to do some real free fall today?
I am.
Excited, scared, nervous?
All of the above.
Yeah?
Yeah.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions?
It's been good.
Yeah, for me it's always the same. Take the computer, the tab with the phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock the sky and have some fun.
Yes.
Yeah. Here we go. We're standing at the plane. You ready to get in this thing? You look like it.
They're ready.
Yeah, let's get some skydive.
Let's do it.
Have it. What do you think, birthday girl?
That was crazy, but great.
Yeah, pull the right one all the way down. Look at the camera.
Woo! Woo!
Good. Yeah, pull the left one down. Hey, you're driving. Yeah. Nice. And done. High five. Good job.
Yay! They did it too.
All right, you just went skydiving. How you feeling?
Crazy, good.
Yeah?
Awesome.
What was your favorite part?
Jumping, yeah, flipping. That was crazy.
Awesome.
Woo, well, you did so good. Thank you so much for jumping with us in Skydive, Colorado Springs.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah.
Woo.